Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel JIT Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. Then when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back guys, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can make a vertical business card in CorelDRAW. So let's get the tutorial started. First we need to make a new page. I will go to File, then click on New. Here we go. At this point here, this is where you type your design name. Next, make sure your width is 3.75, your height should be 3.75, your width should be 2.25, then the number of page should be 1, color here should be CMYK, and your resolution should be 300. Once you are done with your setting, then you come down below here and click on OK. Next, you go to your toolbar. Then we double click the rectangle tools to make a page border. Next, we make a duplicate. Next, we look for our smart fit tools. This point now, select everything. When I click on this icon here to remove stroke. Next, we add color to be this sky blue here. Next, I'll click on the middle shape, and I'll look for my interactive fit tools from the tools bar. Then from the property here, I will select Fountain Fill. Now come down here and change the direction of my gradient. Now click on this icon and select my eye color dropper, and I'll choose this color, sky blue here. I'll click on this place also. Then eye color dropper color. Now select this black. Okay, next I'll go to my toolbar again and select my circle. and I'll make a circle. press P to centralize the circle, then I'll move it to the top. And I'll change the stroke color to sky blue. Then I'll increase the width of the stroke. Then I'll apply color fill white. Next, I'll go to my menu bar, click on import icon.
And I'll make use of this picture here. Click on import. Grab my shape tools here. Now select this portion. I'll select this portion also. And I'll go to my effects, then power clip, place inside frame. And I'll click on this icon to edit my power clip. Then I'll click on this icon to stop edit this layer. Finally, I'll copy the text here. Then I'll press P to centralize. Right click, order, then front of page. Then I'll tap down with my arrow key. Now I'll delete this. Finally, this is how you make a clean vertical business card in CorelDRAW. If you enjoyed this video, click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.